Do you know you can make money online in your own comfort? These days, various people are trying to make money online, and affiliate programming is one of the best options. Fiverr has been recognized as one of the websites globally for freelancers to render their services and make money. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to be updated the next time I post new videos. Let's get to it. So, what are the types of services offered by Fiverr? Well, the commission that you earn with Fiverr totally depends on the type of service that your customer purchases. So, let's quickly look at some of them. First is Fiverr. This is the primary Fiverr marketplace. Here you can promote freelancer services like editing, designing, blogging, video, and so on are purchased and sold. The commissions that you get for these services is around $5 to $50. The second one is Fiverr Pro. This is the expert versions of the original Fiverr. Here, only exclusive and selected sellers can render their services. Also, if you are a top-notch professional, only then you can be a part of their affiliate program. However, they have an extensive applications process as they only select 1% of the applicants for Fiverr Pro. The services on this platform are usually costly, hence the commissions is also high, $150. The third one is to learn from Fiverr. Fiverr's academy where freelancers can opt for any course and furbish their skills. Although these courses are specifically for freelancer, anyone can opt for these courses. If someone opts for the course from your affiliate link, then you get a commissions of $30. Another service is the and.co. Fiverr has acquired a freelancing software called and.co, mainly targets to offer more structure to businesses and freelancers. The good thing is that with the help of these applications, freelancers can manage their gigs, keep track of time, plus can maintain invoicing in a better way. The commissions that you get for promoting this software is $30. How to make money with the Fiverr affiliate program? Before entering the Fiverr affiliate program, one question that comes to your mind is how to make decent money through it. There are several ways of doing it. Some of the significant ones are 1. Create a guide. The foremost step that you should take is creating a guide around your niche. For example, if you have a website on blogging, in that case you can write a guide on commencing a blog and talk about WordPress, website development, the importance of posting regularly, etc. If possible, then do recommend a freelancer under each sections who could do this job for them. These guides are very beneficial as in them, you can include the links, which raises the probability of someone purchasing from your affiliate links. 2. Create review and tutorial content on your site. You can also create freelancers' gigs and video courses, review content, and put your affiliate links everywhere. For example, if you are writing about the best digital marketing courses, you can make each category's content in your local language. Furthermore, you can also make tutorials and add your links to help you in increasing sales. 3. Mention services that you have personally bought. Doing this leaves a significant impact on the potential customers and they get attracted to the product. For example, if you are writing about purchasing the best places to buy a specific software, then you should make sure that you include Fiverr in the list and state that you purchased the same software from the platform. If people like your theme, they would definitely think of contacting the same person and clicking on your link. 4. Put Fiverr on your resources page. Fiverr pays you a commission only if a person who has never purchased places an order on it. Thus, if you want to boost your sales, then it is a great idea to promote Fiverr on the resources page. Just write them a short and crisp review about Fiverr and tell the audience why it is an excellent platform for hiring freelancers if they wish to outsource their projects. 5. Promote affiliate links on targeted Facebook groups and forums. There are more than 200 categories on Fiverr that you can promote. For a lot of them, you would be able to get related Facebook groups and forums. If you spam your affiliate link everywhere, then it would help you increase revenue immensely. Try and provide value by answering the questions and putting your link as a recommendation. For example, if you want to promote WordPress services on Fiverr, then you can earn up to $40 commission on it. In such cases, you need to see who your target audience would be. For promoting WordPress, you need to target people who are starting their own blog. Just type the keyword blogging beginners and you would get numerous groups that would be best for your affiliate link. 6. Add Fiverr affiliates banner ads on your website. Fiverr affiliates are perfect for commencing CPA marketing. If you go to the asset page, there you will see banners and other marketing tools that you can use on your website. Adding those banners on widgets and headers can help attract more customers. Thus, if you have to make a tremendous amount of money every month through Fiverr affiliate program, you should target promoting the products or services with a CPA of $50, like e-commerce, game development, website builders, and CMS, and so on. If you encourage Fiverr Pro services, then you can straight away earn $150. Just like various other affiliate programs, Fiverr also has a payment threshold of $100. Once you receive this amount, you can withdraw your money by different alternate payment types. The various payment methods that Fiverr offers are direct deposit if you have a US account, bank transfers, PayPal, and through Fiverr Revenue Card. Fiverr is an incredibly outstanding platform for professionals who yearn to make money online. It is globally the largest gig-based online marketplace for freelancers to join and market their skills. The services start at $5, and you can get jobs in multiple sectors, such as design, writing, programming, marketing, music, and much more. Through their affiliate program, you can earn money by referring to the products and services available on Fiverr. It has multiple affiliate programs. One of the programs uses affiliate marketing software from SellExpert, and CG Affiliate and Allwin Affiliate Networks host the other programs. There are various good things about their affiliate program, such as the cookie duration. Even if the customer clicks on one of your affiliate links, you get a commissions for 1 year. There are 160 countries where you can promote your affiliate link. Opening an account with them is free and pretty simple. To start selling the products and services, all you need is an email. Joining their program is very easy. There are just a few steps that you need to follow. Just go to Fiverr Affiliates sign up page. The sign up process is straightforward. First, you need to go to the homepage and click on Sign Up. Then, enter your credentials and set up a strong password. On that page, you would have to answer two things. One is how will you promote Fiverr services and your audience's interests? Be honest and don't be fake here. If you give an honest answer, you would be able to perform better. Also, as per your answers, you will get the promotional material after filling in all the details. The good part is that there is no approval process. Therefore, you can start promoting the products as soon as you log in. However, you will only earn if a new member sign up and purchase services. But if an existing member uses your link, you will not make money. So, if you are a freelancer searching for opportunities, Fiverr can be one of the best places for you, especially the Fiverr affiliate program, where you can earn the commissions on every new sale. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for sticking with me till the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please do well give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button too for access to more content like this. See you soon.